Hello again. The topic for today is summary. But what is a summary? How do I summarize? And why is it important? In this video, you're going to learn what is a summary, how to make one, and the importance of summarizing. Okay, we're going to start with the first question. What is a summary? Well, it means to retell a story using your own words. Okay, it needs to be short. It is going to be the shorter version of the story, but in your own words. Tell the main idea for the beginning, the middle, and the end. It is important to ask the following questions. Who is the main character? What is the problem? When did the story happen? Where the story happened? Why we had the problem? And how the problem was resolved. With these questions, it's going to be easier for you to identify the main ideas and to retell the story. But teacher, why is it important for us to summarize? Well, let me tell you that summarizing allows us to restate key information in a way that is short and that is in order. Okay, to summarize, we are going to use the big five. Pay attention. Somebody wanted, but, so, and then. Teacher, what does it mean, the big five? Okay, pay attention to this. Okay, so we were talking about the big five, right? We're going to answer these questions in order to have all the information that we need using the big five. Somebody, we're going to answer the question, who is the main character? We only need the main character. Wanted. What did the character want? What was the thing that he or she wanted? But what was the problem? Every story has a problem. So, how did he or she try to solve the problem? Remember, we have a problem, we need to solve it. Then, what was the solution of the problem? So, in order to retell the story, we need the big five. Somebody wanted, but, so, and then. Okay, we are going to learn how to make a summary. During the week, we read this story. It is Hold the Phone by Anne Gianola. Okay, we're going to start answering these questions with the information of the story. Ready? Okay, so we read the story. Let's answer these questions. Who is the main character? Okay, in this story, the girl doesn't have a name. We don't know. So, the girl, the name is not in the story. But we know it's a girl. Okay? Maybe we can call her Panchita. Okay? Now, what did the character want? Do you remember that she uses her phone a lot? So, what she wanted was to use her phone all the time. That was her only purpose. Okay, what was the problem? If you remember in the story, she was all the time on the phone, even when she was eating. So her mom and dad were mad because she was always on the phone. She spent too much time on her phone. Her parents say it is a distraction for her. This is the problem. Okay, how did the girl solve the problem? Okay, so she was having a lot of feedback about the use of the phone. Even her granny said that she was becoming like a robot. So she sat and think about all these consequences that she was going to have in the future. So she sat to think about the consequences by making predictions. She was thinking what was going to happen if she continues using her phone a lot. She even said that all people was going to act like dummies. Okay, and finally, what was the solution? Okay, so the thing that she did was that she left her phone in a drawer and she started to enjoy and explore the world without technology. That was the solution of the problem. See? Okay. So we have all of this information. This is not a summary, but this information is going to help us to write our summary. Okay, using the Big Five, we're going to use this information to retell a story, but in a very short version. Okay, the story was about 6 or 7 pages, and we're going to make it really short. Okay? I am going to try to make a summary with the information I have here. Pay attention. The girl that used her phone all the time was having problems with her parents because she was being distracted. So she sat to think about the consequences by making predictions. Then she left her phone in a drawer and started to enjoy and explore the world without technology. See, I retell the story. All the information that you have in your book, it is not essential. It only gives us more information so you can imagine the story. But here I am retelling fast. Okay? I hope this information works for you and practice doing a summary of your favorite story. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.